Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all the participants who are joining this event from around the world. I know people have joined from different time zones. That is why greetings of the day to all of you once again. My name is Avinash Trivedi, and I am the Vice President of Business Development at Videonetics. And today I am joined by my colleague, Mr. Tuhin Bose, VP and CTO of Videonetics, for this presentation. On behalf of Videonetics, we extend a warm welcome to all of you and thank you for joining this event today. It really means a lot to us. Today is a very important day in the journey of Videonetics when we are launching the third generation of our market leading intelligent video management software version 3.0 to all of you. Uh, the version 1.0 and 2.0, when we launched, were already ahead of the market at that point of time in many ways, and that helped us to achieve market leadership for all these years. We aim to continue our leadership position with Intelligent VMS 3.0 by helping our customers with our innovations and various cutting-edge features that are developed to solve critical challenges which are faced by our customers on day-to-day basis across various industry segments. We are really looking forward to the next 60 minutes of our interactions today with all of you and looking forward to engage and partner to fulfill your requirements as you may be having. In this session today, we would like to share a brief of Videonetics' journey with all of you before we unveil the IVMS 3.0 and present all the new features to all of you. Videonetics' journey started in 2008, and this journey of a decade of innovations and growth resulted in we being recognized and ranked as number one VMS providers in India and amongst the top 5 VMS players in Asia by IHS Market Report 2019. And we have been able to retain this ranking for years together. We have a strong intellectual property portfolio, we being the research and development oriented company. Our intellectual property portfolio is very, very strong. And many of our technologies are granted patents from countries like US, UK, Canada, Israel, Singapore, and of course, India, since we are originated from India. We are very proud to share with all of you that today our technology is securing over 140 cities, over 80 airports, over 15,000 traffic lanes as we speak are being monitored by our traffic management portfolio. And many large enterprises across the world are today feeling safe and secured because of the video management and video analytics and other technologies which we have provided and deployed in those locations. In one of the large project installation in India, in one single instance of IVMS, there are about 25,000 plus cameras which are today connected. And very shortly, this project is also going to expand to about 100,000 cameras, which will be connected to one single instance of Videonetics IVMS. Today, as I said, we believe in ecosystem relationship and collaborations and have achieved over 50 such integrations with third-party devices and solutions. I will talk about those integrations and how we have achieved in the later part of the presentation. Our journey humbly started from India. We are an Indian origin company, and now we are present in almost every part of the world, either directly or through our partners or representations and representatives. With this, let me now unveil the Intelligent VMS 3.0 to all of you, a next generation feature-rich, future-ready video management software platform, which is built to address critical challenges of various market segments. Before I unveil the important features and the highlights of IVMS 3.0, I would like to mention the product design philosophy here and share that philosophy with all of you. Intelligent VMS 3.0 have been developed based on market feedback, user requirements, real user requirements, technology trends, and based on the philosophy of simplicity. which means solving critical problems simply and with user friendliness. This is the core of our product design philosophy. And we all know that achieving simplicity is one, very complex and also very expensive. But this has been the core of our product development philosophy from day one. In this presentation today, the launch presentation, we would be showing multiple features to you which makes IVMS 3.0 absolutely different and puts us into a different category altogether as far as the intelligent video management marketplace is concerned. We have divided the entire presentation section into two parts, and each part will talk about 6 different buckets of features and functionalities, uh, absolutely for the sake of simply explaining all the features and functionality, and also for the presentation's sake. So in this section, highlights like the user interface, the security features of IVMS 3.0, the disaster recovery and business continuity, artificial intelligence, cloud readiness, and many other features I will be talking about. And let me now go feature by feature and explain how those features are actually adding value to the IVMS 3.0 and how they are being highlighted in the entire proposition. IVMS 3.0 comes with a very refreshing next generation, highly intuitive user interface, which is built to provide easy navigation with lightning quick traversal between features and function. It comes with unique features like collaborative workspace, session monitoring of users. So if you are the administrator, you can actually monitor how your operators are functioning, what they are doing. You can also lock a particular machine for a particular user. That is another level of security which we have built in, so on and so forth. And you can also create your custom workspace. So instead of a virtual matrix view, we have gone a step ahead and we have now offered the workspace kind of a possibility, which can be customized as per the need and desire of the operators and the users alike. So that's the philosophy which we have provided and adopted for the next generation refreshing UI of IVMS 3.0. With IVMS 3.0, you can be rest assured of highest level of security of your data. IVMS 3.0 is certified by Government of India to provide highest level of security, whether it is related to your user data, user access, data encryption, or communication between different systems or devices. As you can see in the demo section here on the right-hand side, IVMS 3.0 comes with two-factor authentication, which is giving you the possibility of another level of security, wherein after logging in, it asks you about the OTP, and OTP is sent to you over your email as well as your mobile, so that your access rights are absolutely secured and there is no intrusion happening by way of imposters and by way of other such mechanisms. As I said, all communication between the users and the IVMS systems takes place over encrypted channels, which is TLS 1.2, with very strict user session control. Data at various levels are encrypted using latest encryption technologies such as SHA-256, RSA, and AES. And also, IVMS 3.0 is compatible with SRTP and HTTPS protocols to access camera video and exchanging other video and other data between cameras and servers. And with IVMS 3.0, with all these kind of high security features and functionalities, we are ensuring that your data and your credentials are safe and secured. So you don't have to worry about it. You can absolutely have peace of mind when you decide to deploy and start using Videonetics IVMS 3.0. Always available. We all know, given organizations' increasing dependency on information technology these days to run their operations, it is important for an organization to have a business continuity and a disaster recovery plan to ensure that it is business as usual, even in catastrophic situations like it could be network failure, It could be a system outage, it could be man-made or a natural calamity, and so on and so forth. It can be, somebody trying to intrude into your system and trying to disrupt the entire operations. So therefore, it is also true for a video management system to have built-in disaster recovery and business continuity features to ensure application uptime and availability of critical video surveillance data in all those kind of situations. IVMS 3.0, I'm very proud to say this, is the only video management software in the marketplace which offers 7 different type of possibilities to plan and configure your disaster recovery situations. As I will demonstrate in the right hand side, you can see that video, how different services can be configured. Application fail-safe, failover situations like N plus 1, N plus N, we have all heard about it. It has been there in the market for many, many years, but we have come a step further and now we are offering N plus 0 configurations also to ensure that the data is available in on-premise situation, whereas policies like critical data flagging, edge, and cloud storage ensures availability of your data at all the times. Now, let me dwell some time and explain you how disaster recovery policies can be very easily configured with IVMS 3.0. So as you can see in the demo part, DR policy number 1, when it is selected, all your features and functionalities with respect to your data storage are pre-selected and you cannot change it. But if you want to change it, then you go to different DR policies, which can be, you want to secure some data at your local storage, some data at your cloud storage, all those kind of functionalities you can very easily configure. Similarly, let's say you go to another policy as per your data policy guidelines. You want to secure video data locally, event data on some other location, and very, very critical flagged data on the cloud. So for that, you need cloud integration. You need on-the-fly integration of such different storage technologies. So I'm very happy to share here that, in terms of always availability of the data, we have achieved successful integrations with AWS, Azure, and also Wasabi cloud storage technologies. And you can configure all those storage technologies straight away from the IVMS 3.0 user interface. So that's the next level of business continuity and disaster recovery features and functionalities we have incorporated in IVMS 3.0. Many of the large organizations we all know, and in fact, even government organizations are now adopting the cloud first policy. And most of their business processes are already utilizing the benefits of cloud these days. In fact, at this point of time, I would also like to mention that Videonetics has become the first Indian company to provide complete cloud-based video management and video analytics platform to a very, very large city in India, wherein the entire smart city is going to be run from cloud as far as surveillance and video analytics setup is concerned. I cannot share the name of the city for the NDA purposes, but that's the achievement which we have recently got from one of our customers. So as I said, cloud first policy, and most of the business processes are already utilizing the benefits of cloud these days. So IVMS 3.0 also comes with built-in readiness for deploying it over cloud, be it public, private, or hybrid cloud. IVMS 3.0 has been built on a cloud agnostic stack to ensure that it can be deployed on any cloud of your choice to ensure one, full flexibility, openness, and therefore lowest cost of ownership. Now, how you are able to achieve this? Because the entire cloud agnostic stack of Videonetics cloud platform has services like inbuilt resource orchestration services, inbuilt intelligent video streaming services, which are the mainstay of any cloud stack and which actually gives you full freedom and flexibility to design your cloud infrastructure and deploy it over cloud of your choice. So with these kind of services, you can ensure that your cost of operation and your cost of ownership is absolutely minimal and you have full control of your own application and data, and how you want to operate the entire cloud-based application for your customers. And as I said, it comes with ready integration framework with the popular clouds like AWS as well as Azure. Artificial intelligence, we all know, is the talk of the world these days. And Videonetics is the only company in the world which has come up with a unified video computing platform powered with inbuilt, indigenously developed DeeperLook AIDL framework, which is pre-integrated with IVMS 3.0. And this is in the series of another first from Videonetics, that IVMS 3.0 comes with pre-integrated artificial intelligence and deep learning framework. We call it as DeeperLook. And to talk about this further, uh, let me request my colleague Tuhin Bose, the CTO and Vice President of Videonetics, to talk about it in more detail. Mr. Tuhin, over to you.
Thank you, Avinash. Yeah, so deep learning based video analytics applications are now becoming very popular. But what happens that normally the trend is that you have got a deep learning network which is very deep indeed, and it does everything. But the downfall is that you require very high computation. What in Videonetics we have done is we have developed a framework called DeeperLook, which studies the environment. We have already studied the environment, and for different domain specific applications, we have come up with smaller network which serves the purpose of that particular set of use cases only. So in this way, we have got almost 15 different network designed by ourselves. So each network caters to a particular domain of services. Now, DeeperLook is a development platform using those small networks, that how you can deploy your deep learning based analytics engines to solve a particular problem. So what it does, that it studies the environment and reconfigures the network automatically for different and adjust the parameters, like what will be the network depth, what will be the size of the images which will be to the network. So in gist, what happens is that using the minimal amount of computation, the server requirement is less, but after a certain duration of time, when the network reconfigures itself, so it can cater to more number of cameras or more number of channels. So DeeperLook is a framework for fast and quick development as well as deployment of deep learning based video analytics engines. So that is indigenously developed by us, and using those networks and using this particular framework, we have been able to cater to different kind of requirements, both in safe and smart city domains, as well as in industrial automation and industrial material inspection domain. Over to you, Avinash.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Tuhin. At this point, I would also like to mention that this platform has been benchmarked to all the popular AI acceleration platforms available in the marketplace these days. And because the platform is, or the framework is inbuilt and pre-integrated with the IVMS 3.0, you have the flexibility of deploying any use case from the basket of over 100 such use cases which we provide, which are AI-based video analytics use cases. You can simply select and deploy them for your needs, be it safe and smart cities or homeland security or critical infrastructure or airport and aviation. So there are about 100 different use cases which are available and easily deployable using IVMS 3.0. So you have zero dependency on any third-party video analytics engine to built in or to integrate with a third-party VMS and then take the responsibility of functioning and the accuracy of both the applications together. So that's the artificial intelligence power of IVMS 3.0 to all of you. Geofence-based situational awareness, it is expected from any video management system that it should truly act as a decision support system and must provide complete situational awareness in order to make sense of the information generated by the system. IVMS 3.0 gone beyond just providing standard map-based viewing and monitoring to providing innovative geofence-based monitoring and situational assessment. As you can see in the video, a user can very easily configure a geofence on a GIS map, and whenever any event happens on any of the camera within the geofence, all such cameras will be presented either on a separate monitor, video wall, or on a hotspot monitor. In addition, as you can see in the screen, IVMS 3.0 also provides a very unique feature of configuring neighborhood view. Now, this neighborhood view is like you select a master camera, which can be associated with number of surrounding cameras or neighborhood cameras. And if anything happens on any one of those cameras, the entire group becomes available for the viewer to see what actually happened, when it has happened, and what actions to take. So that's the level of geo situational awareness which we have tried to provide in this particular IVMS 3.0 application. Another possibility is to track movement of a person or an object across various cameras or multiple cameras in a live situation by using this pencil tool, which is shown in front of your screen. And you can simply drag and drop that pencil between multiple cameras, and you can create a tour, you can create a route, you can give that route a name, and you can start monitoring without remembering the camera name, the location of the camera, the position of the camera. So that is the level of easiness and user friendliness which we have tried to provide with IVMS 3.0. No need to say, but all the popular map platform, be it static maps or image-based maps to multi-layer maps, and GIS maps like Google Maps, OpenStreet, and many other maps are already integrated. So if you have the license and APIs available, they can directly be connected to IVMS 3.0. So by this time, if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the Q&A box, and we shall take them during the Q&A session in the last stage of this presentation. Let me now move to set two of the unique features. As I said that we have categorized features and functionalities into two different buckets for the sake of presentation and for the sake of explanation also. So let me now present the Spotlight 2, which is going to explain and which is going to talk about the smart storage management, how IVMS 3.0 ensures more cooperative and collaborative vigilance, how we are going to help you with the streaming functionalities, because at the end of the day, it's a video monitoring and video management application, so streaming becomes most important. And VMS also used as the investigation software or investigation platform. So intelligent search and reporting is another such aspect which we are going to talk about. And from the collaboration and cooperation point of view, how IVMS 3.0 ensures that you are able to integrate with third-party applications in a seamless and a user-friendly manner. And at the end of the presentation, we are going to talk about that how all these subsystems, all the features, functionalities are integrated together to give you a unified interface and a truly integrated interface. If I talk about smart storage management, one of the basic function of any video management software is to record the video data. IVMS 3.0 supports edge, on-premise, or cloud-based storages. As I talked about, cloud-based storage like Wasabi, AWS, and Azure are already integrated. Its unique data retention and data movement policy and the configurations provides you with the possibility of configuring your storage for best and optimal usage. Data retention policies could be configured based on number of days you want to retain the data, type of events, or flag data, whereas data movement policies could be configured to ensure that critical data is always available in the fastest and most economical way. I will show a small demonstration to you. If you can see in this video demonstration. It gives you unique possibilities. You can decide whether you want to retain or store your data locally, or you want to store your data on a network storage. That network storage could be on premise, or could be co-located in a different data center, or it could be a network storage available on a cloud. So as I said, AWS, Azure, Wasabi, all these are integrated. You can also have a hybrid storage policy wherein you can decide that some data which you need on your daily basis. For example, if you just imagine and simulate your desk, your workspace desk, whatever is available in your desk is something which you need always on 24 by 7 basis, because that's the user intuitiveness, and that's how user work. So using that philosophy, you can configure a hybrid storage policy wherein for few days you can store the data locally subject to the availability of the storage space available to you. And then you decide that, okay, after those many days, the data can be transferred to a third or to another network storage, or it could be transferred to cloud. So all these kind of possibilities are provided using smart storage management functionalities, which we have provided in IVMS 3.0. Of course, the features and functionalities like LIFO and FIFO, all those are already there. So you have unprecedented possibilities of configuring your storage in the manner you want, and different manner as you may like. For on-premise storage management, IVMS 3.0 provides unique feature of recording moderate resolution video and embedding it with high resolution snaps periodically, so that the storage is used in a most economical manner. Now, what does it mean is that, for example, let's say you have a 20 megapixel camera or an 8 megapixel camera or a 4 megapixel camera, but you have limited storage, and you want to retain the high quality of storage because you want to review it later. Now, what you can do with embedding high resolution image technology, you can record the resolution or the camera at, let's say, 2 megapixel or 3 megapixel, but every interval of, let's say, 25 seconds or 30 seconds or 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, in whatever way you want to configure it, you can ask the software to embed that video archive with the highest resolution possible of the camera. So for example, you have few frames or few amount of video for, let's say, 2 megapixel or 3 megapixel, and then you have a very high resolution snap. So when you go and search for the snap search feature, you can just click on that high resolution snap and all the footage becomes available to you. So less amount of storage you can use for retaining high quality of images without losing your footage and the recordings. Similarly, the smart exponential video decay is another technology which we have provided with IVMS 3.0. And what this essentially means is that, again, the same philosophy, that you have lesser amount of storage or restricted amount of storage, as I would like to say, but you want to retain the footage for a longer period of time. What you can do by using this particular technology and feature set, for initial few days, you can store and keep the data in the highest possible resolution. And then when you apply smart exponential video decay, after that particular time period, the video recording will start decaying its quality, but without actually compromising the footage. So let's say you want to retain the video data for 30 days, but initial 7 days, you are ensuring that your full resolution video is available. And for rest of the 23 days, you have the video data available, but maybe at a 4CIF or a D1 resolution, because that is also a good quality of image as far as review and investigation is concerned. So that's the smart storage technology and different kind of features and functionalities which we have incorporated in IVMS 3.0. Unprecedented possibilities of managing your data and intelligently managing your data. Collaborative vigilance, very, very important and very close to our heart. As I mentioned in the beginning of my presentation, that our technology is now securing over 80 airports, over 140 cities, and all these are large multi-user deployments, wherein you have multiple users located at either one place or at multiple places. And the average camera deployment size in these kind of safe city, smart city projects are 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 kind of cameras. And it is very, very important that there is a collaboration or a collaborative approach or collaborative tools provided to the user so that they can communicate with each other if anything happens. If they don't have to pick up the phone, use their phone for sending WhatsApp or sending any messages or making calls and telling the other user that, hey, friend, go and check camera number 5 or go and check camera number 7, something is happening. All those kind of communications they can now do with IVMS 3.0 with built-in chat engine. So that's collaborative vigilance for all of you. And we all know that collaboration and cooperation is the key to any surveillance or investigation based systems. So to ensure this, IVMS 3.0 comes with a built-in chat engine. As you can see, all the operators are listed. Me as an operator can just share a particular matrix layout or a live camera view to another user, and that user immediately gets that message pop-up, goes to that message, looks into the message detail, and automatically that live view which the other user wanted that user to see becomes available instantaneously. Similarly, the users can also exchange events and footages. For example, here you see the events are searched and a particular event requires attention of another operator or another colleague of his. So you can immediately forward the event clip or snap and that becomes available to the another user. So that's the kind of collaboration and cooperative vigilance possibilities IVMS 3.0 provides to all of you. At the end of the day, it's a surveillance system, right? And live monitoring, as I said in the beginning, is one of the most important aspects of any surveillance system. And with increasing resolutions of the cameras, today we have 4 megapixel camera, 4K camera, 8K cameras, 20 megapixel cameras, different kind of camera resolutions are coming in. So it is expected from VMS to provide best viewing experience across various and varied resolutions and bandwidth situations. So IVMS 3.0 offers unprecedented live viewing experience across all the platforms, be it desktop, web, or mobile. One can configure, as an operator, you can configure direct streaming from camera and avoid any intermediary server to ensure that you have the best viewing experience. You have seen situations of transcoding and other things, which increases your cost of ownership, which also increases your hardware point of failure, and also the computation time. So with the direct streaming from camera, you can avoid any intermediary server and the infrastructure to ensure that you get the best viewing experience. And in case of challenging network bandwidth situations, the software will intelligently maintain best possible fidelity to provide you with the best viewing experience. For example, you are a mobile user and your mobile application you have already installed in your system, but mobile application is not active. And from the software, you can configure that all those kind of users can be immediately informed for event streaming based on push notification. And the moment notification comes to you, you select that notification, your application becomes active, and you go and you check your event streaming, or you can go and decide and see the live streaming in the best possible manner. So that's the kind of intelligence which we have tried to incorporate to ensure that you have the best experience across all viewing platforms. Intelligent search and reporting. And as I mentioned, that video management software is predominantly used for video monitoring, recording, archiving, and investigation and reporting. So this particular aspect becomes very, very important because that is how and that is where you get the most of the value of any video management software. So IVMS 3.0 is powered with an extensive search and investigation tools such as the artificial intelligence powered attribute search, video summarization, snap and event based search for faster and meaningful investigations. As you can see in the video, what you can do is you can go and search for the archive. In that archive, you can also configure the area of interest where you want to find out if any activity happened in the past. And when the search happens and the result is provided to you, in that result, again, you can go and find what was the activity of interest. For example, this lady appeared here. Now you want to see who was this lady. And as you can see, very interestingly, that all the attributes of this particular object automatically appeared because the metadata was already collected by the AI framework, which I talked about in the beginning. The deeper look framework already collected that metadata, and your search became so narrow. And based on that search, the color of the attire, how the person looked like, all that information was already made available to you. And you further have the possibility of changing those parameters if you want to broaden your search parameters. So that provides unprecedented level of search and investigation possibilities. At the same time, you should also know that how your system is performing. Because if your system is not performing, then it becomes very difficult and useless, whatever features and functionalities I talked about. So a dynamic and interactive dashboard is provided with IVMS 3.0, which provides critical information pertaining to events of interest, system health, system diagnostic information, statistical information, and many other important information for the decision maker, so that you can also ensure that your system is performing the way it is supposed to perform. And if you are required to take any action, the information should be made available to you instantaneously. So that's the intelligent search and reporting functionalities for all of you. On the fly integration. Again, as I mentioned in the beginning, collaboration, cooperation, communication, and seamless integration are key to any successful security systems. Therefore, it is very important that the systems are open and interoperable. And we at Videonetics always believed in technology neutral, vendor independent, open, and agnostic philosophy. And all our products are designed based on such philosophy only. IVMS 3.0 also comes with open RESTful APIs, which can be consumed by any third-party system to communicate with IVMS 3.0 seamlessly. And we have also gone a step further to provide a dynamic and interactive API playground. I will explain this with a small video presentation to you. And this dynamic and interactive API playground is a web-based application which verifies that the information is exchanged and communication between two systems, that is IVMS and the third-party system which is trying to communicate and collaborate and integrate with us, is happening between systems in real time. Now, this we have learned very, very hard way, because we know that the system integration partners and customers, they always struggle to ensure that there is no blame game. Two systems, when they are asked to integrate, they integrate seamlessly. So we have answered their prayers. We have tried to provide a dynamic API playground web application wherein you can very easily configure the APIs. I mean, you can consume the APIs service by service, since it is open in nature. So whether it is video management or traffic management or facial recognition, any of our application, you can simply integrate using this set of APIs. When you select the specific service which you want to consume, let's say you want to see all the channel data or all the event data, you simply go, drag down, and drop down menu, you select that service and you send that request, and automatically the information comes to your system. And whether that information has been supplied to you or not is also shown in real-time basis, so that both the transmitter as well as the receiver or the requester or the server, they know that the communication is happening in real-time basis. This is an unprecedented, innovative technology which we have brought in, which ensures that you can integrate any third-party system with IVMS 3.0 with absolute peace of mind. And in this regard, as I mentioned earlier, we have already integrated multiple such third-party systems, be it hardware-based systems or software-based systems. For example, various C4I applications, building management applications, access control applications, then fire alarm systems we have integrated, various third-party DVRs and NVRs we have integrated with our IVMS 3.0. By the way, there is also a possibility if you have another video analytics application, which maybe we are not having with us. If you want to bring that application and connect with us, we can also work with you to integrate such applications. So that's how different applications can communicate with us seamlessly and with absolute peace of mind. Unification and unified interface. We know for a fact that majority of security operations are common. For example, activities like monitoring, reporting, investigation, integration are all common. If you look at it from a security operator point of view, when you are asking him to operate the security apparatus, he manages different systems. If it is a commercial building or let's say a hotel situation, then he is looking into fire alarm system. He is also looking into an application of access control. He is looking into an application of video management, video analytics. He is also looking at the application of PIDS, gate entry exit management, key management, all these kind of systems he is looking into in different monitors, and many times he's puzzled. Similar situation is there when you have a larger system of cities and airports and mass transit and all those kind of applications. So considering that, and to ensure that the systems are working absolutely in unison and the situations of silo working of individual systems are avoided and best use of system resources and manpower is achieved, IVMS 3.0 provides unified interface to manage all such activities from a single monitoring platform. Therefore, operator can efficiently manage the day-to-day operation without missing a single piece of information, and that piece of information could be very critical to the entire security objective of the setup. So if you see this unified interface, you can have video monitoring as your regular conventional video monitoring. You can have video analytics application running. So in one of the tile, you can see video analytics technology working and all your video analytics events are coming in. In one of the tile, as I said, we have gone a step further from providing you the possibility of configuring your virtual matrix. Rather, we want to give you the possibility of converting that virtual matrix to a virtual workspace. So here, if you see, one of the video tile is converted to an access control data feeding tile. So that tile, once you select the access control system from your drop-down menu of external devices, all the access control events are appearing in front of you in a more easy manner in one of your video tile only, because security operators, they know only one thing. They only know how to see the video on a 2x2, 3x3, 1+5 and different kind of virtual layouts or virtual matrix layout. So from that tile, the operator can simply go and select the event of his choice, can go to the archive, can go to the snap search, can also transfer that video to another third party, and then all the workflows which I talked about in my previous explanation can be activated simply and very user-friendly manner from the single interface. So that's the unified interface for all of you. And beyond this, your system health data is also made available on top of your screen so that you know if your system is performing optimally or not, and you are able to manage your system diagnostic activities also. So all for one for all, unified interface for all connected systems and operations. And this is one of the most important and key feature of IVMS 3.0. With this, we come to the end of the highlights of IVMS 3.0. Let me summarize those features which I talked about. Since we have paucity of time, we could only highlight about 10, 12 such features to you, but there are many other features which we would like to demonstrate to you and which we want to work with you so that you can learn more and more about what other features and functionalities IVMS 3.0 brings to you all. But as I explained to you, very refreshing user interface, new generation user interface, pre-integrated artificial intelligence framework, highest amount of availability and uptime, military-grade security. That means you can be rest assured for your data and for all the vulnerabilities. The application is certified by Government of India empaneled agency, ready for cloud deployment from day one, and many other features and functionalities like geofence-based situational awareness or smart streaming, third-party integration in a seamless manner, unified interface, search and reporting. That's Intelligent VMS 3.0 to all of you. Thank you so very much for joining this event today. It has been a wonderful time which we had with all of you. And I'm sure that you have taken note of all the features and functionalities which we have presented and demonstrated today. You may take note of our contact details and feel free to reach out to us for all your requirements of project support or demo software requirements, channel partnership for different markets, and maybe distribution inquiries if you have for your local market. We'll be more than happy to communicate and collaborate and partner with you. Thank you once again for your time to join the event. Looking forward to work with you all and wish you all a very happy New Year 2021 without any endemic, pandemic, or epidemic. And I pray to God that you all have a wonderful 2021 and further year ahead. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.